Previously on GasDiesel Garage, I found a 1984 C4 Corvette stashed in a barn. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is GasDiesel Garage, and in today's episode, we're gonna start building a classic car. Unfortunately, it's not a Ferrari, so just stay tuned. Now, I absolutely love the house colors candy red paint that the previous owner started on. So yes, we're basically taking over an old man's build. Unfortunately, he passed away, and I promised him that I would rebuild it, I guess in his memory, I guess you could say. But he gave me a smoking deal on this thing, and it runs. Check this out. And even one of the most expensive parts for a 1984 C4 Corvette, and that is the digital gauges. Watch this dash light up like a Christmas tree, in a good way. Yeah, buddy. Boy, she sounds so great. Look at that. All of the gauges work. Let's give it a couple baby revs. Yes, sir. That American muscle, baby. Let's go ahead and take it up the street, show you how well this thing runs. With 113,000 original miles for this pretty old daggone car. I mean, shoot, 1984. Let's see, that's about 30 years old. Yeah, I would say it's a classic car. Check that out. 113,000 miles. So excited for this build. So let's just go on down the road. Probably piss off some neighbors. Probably get busted by the cops. That won't be good, but it'll be worth it. Okay, we're good. Now I ask you guys, what's better than a 1984 C4 Corvette? Well, I always have to say, two Corvettes. So yes, I have my original C4 Corvette, but then we had to go and buy another Corvette. Check that out. Now this Corvette is supposed to be a parts car, but I don't think I want to take it apart because it's all there. But the thing is, I need stuff for that one. What is a man to do? Okay, so I get that one rolling. I put that all back together for the sake of the channel, and then I take the chassis off of this Corvette and I throw a diesel in it. I think that's what we're gonna do. But here's the reason why we bought the whole car, and that is because of these daggone doors. See, Corvette owners love to hold on to their parts. and they want to charge some ridiculous prices for these parts. And don't get me wrong, I can understand that to a certain extent, but I tried to get doors for that C4 Corvette over there, the one that we're building, and they wanted $400 for both doors, and that's without the guts in it, you know, the regulators, the locks, all the good stuff, and the interior cards, the door panels is what I'm saying, my bad. But I found a guy who wanted to sell me the whole car for 500 bucks. That's simple economics, people. So we just went ahead, bought the whole thing, and plus I can use it for another build. I mean, look at it. And no, this engine does not run, but it does turn over, so I think I can save that engine. Good old 5.7 liter V8. And me, I want those rims. I want those original rims on my other Corvette. But also too, it's got black leather interior. Check that out. And it's not even messed up. It's a little dirty, but we can clean that all up. And not only that, got a target top here. I can use that. Cool thing is, every single part is there. It's just, I don't need the engine because the original C4 that we're building, stuff runs. I mean, you want to see? Let's go see. Go over what the Corvette needs to get on the road and start slaying some tires. That's not a DDE reference, by the way. Well, first thing is, it's obvious. I need the whole back clip, lights, bumper, all that good stuff. And need the gas lid, and also the hatch. Can't open that right now, but that's gonna need the seals inside of it, because when I was washing it, got a little bit of leakage, and that back interior doesn't look all that great either. But guess what, the other Corvette, it's good. Moving on, we need to swap out those rims. They just look too tiny. Those might be good for, you know, to do some burnouts with and just blow the tires off the rim, but I want to put those original C4 Corvette tires, or rims, I'm sorry, from the other one on there. Good thing is, exhaust is still there. I'll have to deal with that, even though we might change that on out. And you need the side skirts and that piece that goes right here that covers the battery. Don't want my battery to fall out. And quite obvious, need some doors. The whole door. Whole door. Whole door. The whole door. Anyways. And I think I'm gonna change out the interior, like I said. I want that black leather interior from the other red car, the parts car, and get rid of all this asbestos. Just kidding. Probably not asbestos. I don't know. Could possibly be. But like I said, change out the seats, because that's seen better days, and there's probably a reason why there's seat covers. And all this trim stuff, all the door seals, and I think I want my panoramic roof. I want that. Get that sunlight, that sunny D. And also too, we need the whole front bumper, which that one over there is in great condition. Need my flip up headlights. Sorry, California, that they're illegal, but in Virginia they're not. It's okay. I'm sure some kind of politician will probably make us not have those either, so, but maybe I'll retract my statement. But old school flip up headlights, isn't that awesome? And moving right along, same thing on the other side. And now that's pretty much going to be it for getting this thing on the road with the body parts. And also too, I want to match the paint. I love that paint. I love that House of Colors candy apple red. I could use some work there, the little fish eyes and whatnot, but I'm not a painter. I'm gonna pay somebody to do that because I want it done right. And for the future of this build, I think we're gonna do some other upgrades, probably sound system, because I like my sounds, And oh, I forgot to show me one thing. Got to get that trim piece there, the interior rather, and might need some sun visors, which looks like a rat got to that. And of course I need a new windshield. That sucks. Yeah, it's about a good $300, but got to get it done. Now that's just the gist of what needs to be done to put this thing back together. You can't really call it a build because I'm not really building anything. I'm not, you know, taking the chassis and just building from the ground up. I'm pretty much just taking parts off of a parts car and putting it on that. And it's not a restoration because I'm not really restoring anything because I have all the parts. And well, anyways, if you want to see this thing be put back together to its original glory, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for the post notifications so you don't miss a thing, and we'll just have to see you next time. And in the next episode, that interior is going in that Corvette, so stay tuned.